We always look to invest in equity markets seeking higher returns, but are wary of market volatility. Do you know that large caps account for the top companies by market capitalization? Investing in such funds can help you by providing lower volatility and adding stability to your portfolio. They aim to withstand tougher times and provide sustainable growth over the long term by investing in stocks which are industry leaders and have high liquidity. Follows a three-pillar strategy for stock picking. The first pillar focuses on buying the right sectors. Getting the sector allocation right can be a key driver of the overall portfolio returns. The fund's focus is to identify such sectors ahead in time. The second pillar focuses on buying sector leaders. The fund looks for companies that have robust fundamentals, strong growth potential, and good quality of business and management. Lastly, the third pillar focuses on having opportunistic allocation to mid or small caps. So if you are an investor looking for an investment avenue that can provide stability to your portfolio while aiming for relatively higher mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.